restrooms up a floor. We're gonna go for a ride. Let's go for a ride first. Oh, that thing almost took my foot off. Okay. Parking level, Ada. Small little elevator here. Here, let me take your gloves.
P for parking. Wow, it's got a jump.
That's the front and rear door. Ada's pressing all the buttons. We have to wait until it comes to a stop, and then it will open. Aw, that's a nice bell. Did you hear it? You've already pushed C for meeting room and L for lobby.
It does a Dover.
It could be.
Why?
It is old. Dover was more popular in the 80s and 90s and 70s. Oh, rear door opened up now. Great. Let's go. Oh wait, we're on the conference floor. That's not where we want to be, is it?
No.
Okay, let's get back on. Come on, Ada.
You want to go back to the office.
One more level up.
Come on in. Quickly.
This is a Dover.
Is it? Well, Ada, you would know best. I consider you an expert. Squeaky door. This elevator is so small and it says it can fit 15 people. I find that very hard to believe. Don't you?